Welcome to our special episode for today. What happens if the otter and the shark merged into one body? Follow us to find out. But don't forget to subscribe to our channel to follow more interesting topics. If we imagine the idea of merging an otter with a shark into one body, assuming it is biologically possible, this hybrid creature would be a combination of the characteristics of two completely different animals in terms of habitat and behavior. Let's analyze the characteristics that could form. It is possible for the head to have a mix of otter features, such as the sharp nose and big eyes, with the broad jaw of a shark. This would enable it to hunt on land and in water. Its body could be long and sleek like a shark but covered with short fur like an otter, to protect it when transitioning between water and land. It would have strong and large fins like a shark but with the ability to move on land like otter limbs. The tail might be a mix between the flat shark tail and the flexible otter tail, making it capable of swimming at high speeds. This hybrid creature would face a challenge in how it breathes. Sharks breathe through gills, while otters need to breathe air. It might have a special combination of gills and a nose that allows it to breathe both in water and on land. Perhaps it would have a respiratory system similar to amphibians, enabling it to transition between aquatic and terrestrial environments. In the water, it would be as fast as a shark thanks to its powerful fins and streamlined body, while on land, it would benefit from the otter's ability to walk and run. It might have flexible limbs equipped with claws to aid in movement. It could have sharp vision like an otter on land and might possess an ability to see underwater similar to sharks, making it a creature with excellent vision in multiple environments. It might have the ability to hear sounds in both water and on land like an otter, aiding in hunting and communication. It would have the ability to hunt quickly and powerfully in its aquatic environment. Could swim at high speeds to chase prey in the water. It would also be capable of hunting prey on land, perhaps using its jaws and sharp teeth like a shark to attack small land animals. It would need two types of food: marine meat, such as fish or crustaceans, in the water, and terrestrial meat or insects on land. Its stomach structure might be a mix of what is found in sharks and other meat-eating animals. This creature would be aggressive like a shark when needed and could be a top predator in the food chain, both in water and on land. It might also be solitary like otters, which prefer to stay alone. Since the otter is a mammal and gives birth to live young, while the shark lays eggs, it is unlikely that these two reproductive methods would merge naturally. However, in this hybrid creature, there might be a mix of both methods. It might give birth to live young like otters but in a way similar to egg-laying as seen in sharks. This creature might have a unique communication style. Since otters tend to be solitary creatures while sharks also primarily live in isolation, except for some social shark species, this hybrid creature might generally be solitary. It might rely on physical signals, such as sudden movements or water vibrations, to communicate with others if it is part of a species capable of mating or social interaction. It is likely that this creature possesses a mix of the sharp intelligence of an otter with the shark's ability to deal with its marine environment intelligently and effectively. It might have innovative hunting strategies both in water and on land, with a quick learning ability. In water, this hybrid creature might feed on small fish, crustaceans, or other marine organisms like squid. Thanks to its fast swimming abilities, it can easily catch its prey, similar to a shark. On land, it would rely on small mammals or birds as food, much like an otter that feeds on mice or small wild animals. It would also have skills in hunting land animals using its sharp shark jaws and teeth. Since sharks are among the creatures most capable of resisting infectious diseases like cancer, thanks to properties in their immune system, this hybrid creature might have a greater ability to resist diseases. Otters, on the other hand, live in environments filled with viruses and bacteria, such as rivers and lakes, so it might have a special immunity against these types of diseases. However, due to the biological diversity of this hybrid creature, it might be more susceptible to health problems related to the surrounding environment. For example, it might have difficulty adapting to environmental changes or water pollution or climate changes, which could negatively affect its health indirectly. Since sharks are considered top predators in the marine food chain, this hybrid creature might also be a top predator in its environment. However, it might face threats from large creatures like whales or marine bears on land. Additionally, despite its strength, it might be attacked by some specialized predators such as large sharks or large wild animals like bears. The environment in which this creature lives might be filled with challenges in terms of competing with other animals or environmental changes that might affect the availability of food or suitable hunting areas. However, since this hybrid creature is equipped with a mix of superior swimming and land-moving abilities, it might succeed in escaping or confronting any potential threats. Since the otter is a mammal, this hybrid creature might give birth to live young instead of laying eggs like sharks. Therefore, there might be biological adaptations that grant this creature the ability to carry and give birth like an otter. If reproduction occurs, it is possible that the young would inherit skills from mothers rich in both swimming and land-living abilities. The genetic processes in this creature would be a mix of otter and shark genes. Different traits might appear among individuals. For example, some might develop more shark-like body features, while others might show otter-like behaviors or limb sizes. The presence of this hybrid creature might cause changes in the local ecological balance, especially if it reproduces significantly. It might lead to negative impacts on other species, whether in water or on land, through efficiently preying on them or competing with other animals for limited resources. If the hybrid creature can survive in the environment for a long period and its numbers increase, it might become one of the dominant species in that environment. However, it would require a delicate ecological balance to support its long-term existence, including the availability of food and clean water. Merging an otter and a shark into one creature is a highly imaginative and exciting concept, but it would combine the characteristics of a marine predator with the ability to live in multiple environments. It would be a highly adaptable creature capable of moving between water and land, with a mix of strength and amphibious behavior, but of course it is biologically impossible in reality as we know it today. This idea, although based on science fiction, raises many fascinating questions about how creatures adapt to different environments, and how multiple traits can be combined to create a being capable of adapting to diverse living conditions. The merging of otter and shark characteristics opens up unlimited imaginative horizons about a super creature that leads us to think about the natural world in new ways. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting topics. See you.